Hey guys, Eric with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be installing our 2x2 twill carbon gurney flaps on your 992 GT3. Now these units will improve front and downforce slightly, as well as increase cooling efficiency of your radiators. These are crafted by 2x2 twill carbon fiber, as you can see, and then we include some double-sided, 3M double-sided tape to install. Overall, the install should probably take less than 15 minutes. You're basically gonna eyeball where these go on the car, put them on, and that's all there is to it really. To install, you're gonna need a microfiber, you're gonna need some water, and you're gonna need some isopropyl alcohol. Beyond that, that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right guys, so we are gonna be installing the gurney flaps real quick. And this basically, again, improves airflow through the cooling stack and actually creates a little bit of front end downforce as well. We can show you some CFD images and CFD data on that here. Maybe like here, I don't know. Do it, Clay. So there is a left and a right to the gurney flaps. It's pretty easy to tell which is which. We're just gonna quickly mock this up, and this is the passenger side or the left-hand side or right-hand side. I don't know, depends on where you're at. Obviously this does not fit, so this is the correct side. Once you figure out which side is which, we're gonna grab the double-sided tape, which is right here. Same thing, there is a left and a right here. Generally speaking, we recommend installing the white side to the carbon part, and it doesn't really matter, but it just makes it a little bit easier in our opinion. So we're gonna install the white side to the carbon part like that, and then we'll take off the red part and install it on the car. Now you're gonna wanna use a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and water, and we're gonna wipe the area where the double-sided tape is gonna go on both the car and the carbon piece. We're gonna install the double-sided tape on the carbon piece, then stick it on the car. That's how simple it is. I'm gonna do that real quick off camera because I trust you guys can do it. And then I will show you the final install once we're done with that. All right guys, just like that, the carbon gurneys are installed. Very, very simple install, maybe 15 minutes if you're taking your time. Again, isopropyl alcohol, water, and a microfiber, that's all you need to install it. And you'll basically be able to increase the cooling capacity of your factory stuff, as well as increase front end downforce slightly. We'll get some quick glamour shots, throw those in here at the end. Until next time, I appreciate you guys tuning in. See ya.